Okay, so we have angles in standard position, we have rotation angles. Let's see if we can do this stuff. They tell us here to draw 290 degrees. So standard position starts over on the right. This is 0, and it goes counterclockwise. So from 0, there's 90, 180, 270 degrees. And we need to go 20 degrees further than that. Now I know that 45 degrees is right through the middle here, so 20 degrees will be a little less than halfway to there. 290 degrees would look something like this. And you can draw, if you want, you can draw an arrow that starts at 0 and goes all the way around to the terminal arm. Sometimes you don't have room for it, but it's a way to make it really clear what angle you're talking about. Minus 135, the trouble with this one is you can't trust these numbers anymore because these are going in the positive direction. Negative 135 means we're actually going clockwise into negative angles. So 0, that's minus 1 degree, minus 2 degrees. Here is minus 90 degrees, and now we need 45 more degrees, which means we're going exactly halfway around. Our terminal arm will be right there on the 45 degree line. So 90 degrees there, and another 45 there makes a grand total of minus 135. And it's negative because we're going clockwise instead of counterclockwise. 750 degrees, a bit of a long trip. 90, 180, 270, 360, 450, 540, 630, 720, now we're almost there. So this is 720 degrees after you've gone around the circle twice, and now we need 30 more degrees. If you know that this entire arc is 90 degrees, then 30 is a third of the way up, so you should get an angle that looks something like that. And that's 750. Now, they want the quadrants as well, which aren't too bad. The quadrants go in the same order that your degrees count up. So you start here, that's quadrant 1, then you go counterclockwise, this is quadrant 2, that's quadrant 3. So this first angle ends up in quadrant 4, that one ends up in quadrant 3, and 750, even though it went around the circle multiple times, still ended up in quadrant 1.